So we have already studied how to prepare an extract of the balance sheet. Your the statement of financial position. Now this is Feb March 2018, paper 12. Okay. In this sum, they have asked us to prepare the profit or loss appropriation account and partner's current account. And apart from that, they have also asked us to prepare an extract of the balance sheet. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So they will never ask you, they've asked us two things. They've asked you to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and the extract of balance sheet. So what you have to do in separate is you have to prepare the current account for yourself so that you can prepare the extract of the balance sheet just simply. So the current account becomes your working note number 1. So this is Feb March 2018, paper 12. What I want you to do is first read the question, try to do it yourself. After that, we will discuss and we will see where to do. Put the thing. This sum is of question number 5, Feb March 2018, and it's paper 12. Okay? So come
Okay.
on, tell me why each partner has both a current account and a capital account.
Because the capital is fixed.
Sorry?
Because the capital is fixed.
So why do they want the capital to be fixed?
So that
So they want to know why you want to keep a separate capital account and why you want to keep a separate current account. You said a good thing because the capital is fixed. Why? Why do they want the capital to be fixed? So that they are able to calculate interest on capital. So if you have a separate account for capital and you have a separate account for the current account, both is the capital account itself. But why you want it separate? So that you know that if you have to calculate interest on capital, you are going to calculate it from here. So that they are able to calculate what? They are able to calculate the interest on capital. And the interest on capital will be calculated on this amount. Yes?
Yeah.
What could be the other reason?
Mm,
To allow easy comparison of drawings and profit share. You need to learn this theory answer, it normally comes. To
Miss, can
allow
you explain this more?
easy comparison of drawings and share of profit. Because the drawings would come in the current account, the share of profit would come in the current account. So we know very clearly whether they are withdrawing more than the share of profit or they are withdrawing less than the share of profit. So to allow easy comparison of drawings and the share of profits. Are you with me?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, miss.
There is a debit balance on Sumit's current account.
Yeah.
What does this represent?
Drawings are more.
Okay. So if there is a credit balance, if there is a credit balance on current account, means partner has given to the firm, right? But if there
Yeah.
is a debit balance, it means what? Partner has
Then
to give to the firm. This the partner has already given. And this partner has to give to the firm. partner has to give to the firm. Mahat, please put this in your revision note also. So the amount who owes, Sumit owes. It shows
Okay.
the amount partner Sumit owes to the partnership, or the partner Sumit has to give to the partnership. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Both these answers should be a form of your revision note, and you should give take up of this on a regular basis.
Okay.
Okay? C
Yeah.
part. Why we are charge interest on drawings? Why other partners charge interest on drawings?
Uh, to make less drawings happen. To discourage partners to
To discourage
withdraw
the
the
partners
capital.
from taking drawings. To discourage the partners from taking drawings. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Now you have the profit and loss appropriation account that they have asked you to make, and they want you to make the extract of the statement of financial position. But remember, whenever they ask you to make an extract of the statement of financial position, what is one more thing that you have to make as a working note?
Current account.
You have to make the current account. Okay? So they want you to make what? Profit and
Current account.
creation account and the extract of the statement of financial position. This I will make it by myself as a working note.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You with me? Now I see there
Yes,
is a
miss.
capital account balance. Since there is an extract, so what will I write? I will write capital accounts. I have two partners. One is Elli and one is Sumit. So I write 50,000, 40,000. But when I was scrolling through this, I see there is an additional capital on 1st May. Do you also see that?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
So I will write 40,000 plus 5,000. What is the purpose of additional capital?
To increase the
When
capital.
it states for additional capital, what is the thing that they want from you?
Interest on capital.
Interest on additional capital. So you will calculate interest on capital on two things, on opening capital separately and on additional capital separately. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
So this total is how much? 95,000. With me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Come on. Current account balance. Ellie has which balance?
50,000.
Current account.
Oh, 4,500.
Normal balance will be on which side?
Credit
Hmm.
side.
And Sumit has which balance?
1,800.
Which side?
Credit side.
Read over
Oh,
here.
the debit side.
Come on. Annual salary. But first, will I go for profit for the year?
Yes, miss.
Where will I write?
On the profit loss appropriation.
How much? 12,500.
1,500.
Add what?
Interest on loan. Drawings.
Elli and Sumit. What percent?
4%.
4%. Less what?
Less interest on
Capital. Yeah?
yeah.
Interest on capital. Elli and Sumit. Then there is salary to Elli.
Miss, don't we leave a line after the interest on drawings?
Yeah. After the interest on drawings, you leave a line. Salary to Elli is how much?
75,000.
7,500. Where will I put it? Where else will I put it?
On the partner's current account.
Which
Credit
side?
side.
Salary. How much?
7,500.
Correct. Interest on drawings and capital percentage I've put. Share of profits is 3/2. So what will I get? I will get residual profit. I'll write over here. And share of profit. Elli and Sumit. This would be 3/5 and this would be 2/5. Are you with me? Are you
Yes.
with me? Profit for the year I have put. Additional capital I put. Let's start calculate interest on drawing, interest on capital. For whom is the additional capital? For Sumit. So interest on capital. For Ellie, it would be the common thing. 50,000 into 8%, right?
Yeah.
How much?
44,000.
For Sumit.
Sumit. She has
So
additional
interest on capital will be calculated for two things separately. Opening capital separate and on additional capital separate. On opening capital, how much? 40,000 into 8%.
3,200. 3,200.
And on additional capital, 5,000 into 8%. How many months?
6 months, November 1st to May 1st, 2017.
May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months.
200.
5,000 into 8% into 6 by 12, 200. So total would be 3,400 and this will become my working note number 2. 3,200. Working note number 2. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
And drawings. 5,000 and 6,500. Interest on drawings. How much percent?
4.
How much is it coming up to?
For Ellie, 200. For Sumit, 260.
Total 460.
Yeah, 460.
And here don't forget to write share of profit. With me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine. So first we'll close the appropriation account. So 12,500 plus 460.
I'm getting 12,960.
And all these three will be subtracted. So first do the total of all this. 4,000
1,400.
plus 3,400 plus 7,500. So this is 14,900. So it is residual loss and share of loss. How much is the loss?
1940.
1940 into 3/5.
1164.
And Sumit,
Mm,
yes,
yeah, I'm doing it.
776.
776.
So I will write share of loss on which side? Debit side. 1164 and 776. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Mahad, are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Now for Ellie. Which side is more? We close one by one.
Okay.
Which side is more?
Credit side.
Credit side is more. So this is a normal balance. Okay. What is the total of credit side? 16,000. So you have a balance of 6634. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Now for Sumi. Which side is more? Debit is more. So this is an abnormal balance. What is the total of your debit? 1800 plus 6500 plus 260 plus 776. 9336. Yeah,
Yes, miss.
minus 3400. So it is 5936. Balance close down and balance begin down. Are you with me? Mahad, are
Yes,
you
miss.
with me?
Yeah, miss.
Yes.
So we are on the extract of the balance sheet. We written the capital account. Now we'll write the current account. This was our working note 1. So Elli and Sumit. Elli has a credit balance. Does Elli have a credit balance?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
634. This is normal. Sumit has a debit balance.
Yeah.
It's abnormal. So 6634 minus 5936. So this is 698. So total is this is 6634. Let's check. 16,000 minus 5,200 minus 1164. This is 9636. Ninety-six 36. You are not checking the totals. 9636 minus 5936. So this is how much? 3,700. So 98,700. With this, we complete Feb March 2018, paper 12, which is a proper sum of partnership, having some theory, appropriation account, and extract of balance sheet. But remember, whenever they ask you to make the extract of balance sheet, you will make a working note for partner's current account because it makes it very easier for you. And you will get marks for the working note.